Hey guys, welcome to Maron the Cooking Chef YouTube channel. The term cupcake was originally used in the late 19th century for cakes made from ingredients measured by the cupful. The traditional pound cake recipe was easy to remember for its pound of butter, pound of sugar, pound of flour, and pound of eggs. Likewise, the name cupcake comes from how the recipe was measured. 1 cup butter, 2 cups sugar, 3 cups flour, and 4 eggs. On today's video, I will teach you how to make super moist chocolate cupcakes. These super moist chocolate cupcakes pack tons of chocolate flavor in each cupcake wrapper. Made from simple everyday ingredients, this easy cupcake recipe will be your new favorite. For best results, use natural cocoa powder and buttermilk. These chocolate cupcakes taste completely over the top with chocolate buttercream. This is my recipe and steps you need to follow. All-purpose flour, 1 cup. Cocoa powder, ½ cup. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Sugar, 1 cup. Instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. 1 egg, medium. Vegetable oil, 1/3 cup. Water, 1 cup. Milk, 1/4 cup. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Let it cool. Sprinkle the icing sugar. Hey guys, if you want to see more Maron Chef videos with original edits, click now on the videos that are appearing on the screen now. Also, make sure to subscribe and enable all notifications. Thanks for watching.